Best drone for aerial photography. Number 1. RUCO F11 Drone for aerial photography. This compact camera drone from RUCO shoots 4K video with the help of a 2-axis gimbal. Use its GPS functions to have the drone follow you around, or ensure that it returns back to you after its flight. The drone delivers 28 minutes of total flight time on a full charge. It comes with 2 batteries. The RUCO F11 is listed on Amazon for $460, but if you click the coupon button, you'll save $60 at checkout. Note, this drone weighs more than 0.55 pounds. You will need to register it with the FAA before you take it to the skies. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro Drone for aerial photography. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is another top-rated lightweight drone. It's a step up from the DJI Mini SC in camera quality and features. Plus, it's foldable, something that makes it easy to tote around, when it's not flying around, of course. This drone can shoot in up to 4K video, and capture 48 megapixel photos. It features a gimbal with 90-degree rotation, directional obstacle sensing and 34 minutes of flight time per charge. The DJI Mini 3 Pro also offers time-lapse photography and active track, a feature that, when set, will literally have the drone following you around. This drone weighs less than 0.55 pounds. It does not have to be registered with the FAA. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Holy Stone Drone for aerial photography. With a price of just $100, the Holy Stone foldable drone is a great starter drone for kids and families. It's capable of capturing up to 1080p video, and boasts a 90-degree adjustable lens. It has a gesture control feature that literally allows you to control it through gestures and hand movements. It offers 20 minutes of flight time per charge. The drone comes with 2 batteries. This drone weighs less 0.55 pounds. It does not need to be registered with the FAA. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. DJI Mini SC Drone for aerial photography. This lightweight mini drone features a 3-axis motorized gimbal. A gimbal is a gizmo that helps stabilize a camera, and, in turn, your picture. The DJI Mini SC shoots 12 megapixel photos and 2.7K HD video. On a full charge, the drone will fly for 30 minutes. Overall, this is camera drone for beginners, and, as such, it offers preset quick shot modes to help newbies get the right shot. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Autel Robotics Drone for aerial photography. The Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus drone captures 4K video and 50 megapixel photos. The Evo Nano Plus offers 28 minutes of flight time per charge, and a 3-axis gimbal. Use its tracking feature to have the drone follow you, your car, or even your dog. Download the Autel Sky app on your compatible phone or device to edit videos, or download images. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.